Here we'll write a program to make connection with SQL database through C#. So first we'll add new form and I'll name it as FRM SQL connection. Here we will make the connection when button is clicked. For this, first we'll add panel, and on this panel I will add one label. I will make the auto size property false, and I will give the caption for the form as making connection to SQL database using C#. I'll change the font, then I'll change the text alignment to center, and I will change the back color property for the panel. Then I will add one button, and with text property I will give SQL connection. To make the connection with the SQL Server database, first we will open the SQL Server and we will make the connection to the server. If the server name is not available here, click on this browse for more and select the server name from here. Expand the database. I will make the connection to this testDB. I will change the appearance of this button. Then we will make the connection to SQL Server. For this, first we will use the DLL system.data. So using system.data, and we will use SQL client since we are making the connection to SQL Server. So using system.data.sql client. Then I will define one variable public static string my connection, in which I am going to write the connection string for SQL Server. So first we will give data source equal to, here we will give the server name. If you don't know the server name, open the SQL Server, click on this connect object and copy the server name and we'll paste here. Then we'll give initial catalog. Here we'll specify the database name. I'll give this name testDB for the connection, and I'll write integrated security to true. Then we'll create object for the SQL client connection. So public SQL connection as connection equal to new SQL connection, and we'll pass my connection as a parameter. We can directly open the connection with connection.open, but if the connection is already open, it will generate an error. So we'll write one method public void set connection, and here we'll check if connection.state equal to connection state.closed, we will open the connection. And on click event of this button, we will call this method set connection. Here after connection open, we will write one message. So message box dot show connection open. To execute this form, from Solution Explorer window, we will open this program.cs, and here we will call the form FRM SQL connection. And we execute. I'll click on this SQL connection. It will give the message connection open. That is, the connection is established with the database testDB. So here first we have imported the system.data and system.data.sql client. Then we have written a string variable my connection, in which we will store the connection string for the SQL Server as data source equal to the server name, initial catalog is the database name, and integrated security to true. Then we will create object for the SQL connection, and we have written a method set connection, in which we will check if the connection is closed, we will open the connection and we will give the message connection open.